So what about going back to hormones?
Mm-hmm.
I think we had the discussion before, but if you can refresh me, there there are ways to enhance like workout with like a smart way to do testosterone and stuff like that.
Yes. Hormone therapy is one of the hottest things right now with a lot of doctors. It's hormone replacement therapy, TRT, testosterone replacement therapy. And men's testosterone, it's measured by nanograms per deciliter. And below, the lowest that they have is 200. If you're below 200 nanograms per deciliter, you are considered low testosterone. Men best operate from 500 to 700. When people go anabolic and when they get muscles and build, they're way over in the thousands.
But that depends on age also, right?
Correct.
Some
Age,
like after a certain age, they will not be naturally 500.
yeah, it starts probably after 25 is when you hit full maturity. A lot of people don't realize with men maturing and going through puberty, it settles down about after 25. Some guys are different, all its variations, but 25 seems to be a happy number. Even with testosterone therapy, they'll never give it to a kid that's under 25. It's usually over 25. For a kid to have a low testosterone at 25, super rare. Something has to go completely wrong for them. And as we get older, it lowers. But you can keep it higher by being active and eating right and being healthier, but some people will be cursed with having a lower testosterone. So usually we gain the older years, doctors will prescribe you testosterone therapy, and they will bring up your levels to where you're most optimal. And it comes with a lot of blood testing, so they can find, so you don't get the negative effects. If what you see when people start taking too much, they get the negative effects. They'll get gynecomastia, which is breast tissue. They'll grow, muscle, but they'll get the negative effects. They'll get back hair, loss of hair, DHT starts converting into their scalp and losing their hair.
So like I always had this negative connotation, people say, oh, he's jacking up or whatever, like working out, not natural.
Yeah.
But there is a way to do it in a sense that it is somewhat natural.
Mm-hmm.
You're just restoring your testosterone levels.
Correct.
What are the commonly known, like people say that's not natural, whatever he's working out?
So the hottest one is, are you natty? That's what the influencer's saying with, are you natty? And for years, there's been forefront influencers on YouTube and Instagram that have called people out. They'll go up to people and they'll say, are you natty?
So what does that mean?
That means, are you natural?
Oh, okay.
Which has a large spectrum now, because now people see TRT as the way out. You'll see these jacked guys. Oh, I'm on TRT. Oh, you're forgiven. That's a lie too. They're on a massive quantity of TRT. Even Arnold Schwarzenegger in his documentary lied, in my opinion, and many others, lied about his dosage. And also said he was on it. He was only on steroids for 3 months. No, he wasn't. We all know it. He was on it since he was 14 years old, and cranked it. Again, in most of our opinions.
So what's considered like natural and normal?
Natural means you are not taking anything into your body that isn't produced by your own body. Even peptides now.
So supplementing testosterone is considered still natural?
No, it would be called, you'd be on TRT. They won't see this natural. Creatine would be considered natural.
And what's creatine?
Creatine is the most popular supplement that was made popular by Mark McGuire when he was on steroids. And he told everybody, I'm just taking creatine. Creatine is a supplement that promotes muscle building, also helps with brain cognitivity.
So do you recommend doing creatine?
Yes, creatine is probably the best supplement you could possibly take.
And how do I source creatine?
So you can get it from any Amazon, GNC.
No side effects?
No side effects that have been known. None. And it's been used for over 40 years.
And that's still like if somebody is supplementing with creatine, that's considered natural?
Correct. It's not been banned by WADA, which is the World Anti-Doping Association.
But testosterone, the guy that has low testosterone, 200, and he wants to be in that 500 range.
Mm-hmm.
So he's getting whatever TRT, that's already not considered natural.
Correct.
Is there a natural way to get the testosterone level up?
Yes. Diet, working out. You can take some supplement pills.
Doesn't matter what age?
It doesn't matter what age. It will increase a little bit. Will increase as much as taking a prescription? Absolutely not. And there's multiple ways to take that, from roll-ons. They can roll on your armpits, inner thigh. Then you can take also a pellet that is replaced once a month. Well, not replaced, like put
Have
in
you
every month.
tried the testosterone treatment yourself?
I have not. So interested when I go get my levels, I will for sure take it in the future. Is because
At what point do you recommend people do it?
when you lose your energy, you just can't make it throughout the day. Especially for us, we're working so many hours. If you're just exhausted, your sleep is poor, go get your levels tested and then see where they are. But I've had low testosterone after when I got my ulcerative colitis. My white blood cell count was through the roof, and I had a 147 testosterone count. And it was horrible, but I couldn't, 10 o'clock hit, I wanted to take a nap, I was asleep, it was awful, I couldn't lift, nothing I could do. But that was due to being sick. So that there's many things that happen. I mean, you could be stressed, sleep is the most essential thing for your body, and most of us don't get enough of it. So your testosterone levels are going to go down. Also, kids consideration. If you want to have kids, being on testosterone therapy is going to give you a less chance percentage.
Oh, it decreases
Correct.
fertility?
Yes.
Also kind of counterintuitive to me because like people on testosterone want to do things.
That's right. Exactly. That's it, because it raises your libido. Now, it is not birth control.
So if it raises libido, why does it reduce fertility?
Well, it shuts off your production. So it shuts off your natural testosterone production.
And the natural testosterone is what's responsible for fertility?
Correct. So if you shut down your natural production and you're getting it from an outside source, that's going to shut down your fertility.
Interesting.
That's also why you'll get the negative effects. So when people take too much testosterone, your body has to produce a hormone. And what's the antithesis of testosterone? Is estrogen. So that's when gynecomastia and so forth will form.